Hello all. Building information modeling is a hot topic forever. India is stepping into a technology age where technology is massively used in all areas of our life, including construction. Today we have Mr. Parveen Sharma, CEO of the BIM Engineers. He is going to share with us about the extent of usage as well as the impact on construction of BIM, alias Building Information Modeling. Sir, thank you so much for talking to ACE Update. Can you please talk to us about the kind of adoption happening for BIM in Indian context?
Definitely. Thanks for having me here. See, current scenario in Indian design and construction industry is very unorganized. New technology like building information modeling can bring lots of design change, paradigm shift, and bring efficiency in not only in the design, construction, also in facility management, operation, future expansion of the construction project. It's not the technology of the future, it is technology happening and being implemented in present. So my two bits suggestion would be to go with the flow and use advanced technology, adapt the change and take the benefit. In nutshell, it can save anywhere between 10 to 12% of the total construction cost and between 15 to 20% of the total construction time. So if you can finish the project earlier, you can start generating revenues, you can start renting it out, you can start using it out. So saving time is saving money. Of course, time is money. So on both front, not only in design efficiency, but also in time efficiency, BIM is the way to go. It solves all major problems in the design and construction industry.
Efficiency is well addressed under BIM, like what you said. When we talk about the aesthetics of projects, for example, we see iconic, marvelous architectural structures across the world, where when you look at in India, we always have to refer with our ancient architectural structure, but we always promote. How do you see the usage of BIM can enhance India's aesthetics in construction?
Absolutely. Excellent question. Thanks for asking it. See, what is happening? We are no more, building are no more a rectangular or a box kind of structure. They are living examples of humankind, our culture, our prosperity, our architectural acumen. So more interesting, more complex, more robust, more higher, bigger, greater building represent our country on the international platform. Although last 70, 100, 200 years, we were lagging a little behind, but now I see in next 10, 15 years, it is going to change. The game is we are not behind the world, we are not the followers, we are at par, and hopefully in next 10, 15 years, we will be the global leader in terms of new age design, new age construction, and new generation of architecture. It's happening. For example, we are sitting in Yashobhumi today, that is India International Exhibition Center or Convention Center in New Delhi, very close to Delhi Airport. This itself is a marvelous piece of Indian architecture, design and construction. Very well planned, at par with any exhibition center from New York to London to Paris to Chicago or Singapore. So India is growing, we are catching up, and hopefully we will be in the leading position in next 10 to 15 years.
Well addressed about the new age construction where India is getting evolved. One of the major challenge we see, keeping apart the leading construction companies, most of the construction in this country happens in clusters. How do we, see efficiency get attained by implementation of BIM in these areas?
Definitely. Thanks for asking this very important question in the context of today's construction market. See, we are a big country. That's why we are referred as an elephant. So India, with 1.5 billion people, it's a big country. We are elephant, we move slow. But once we start moving, sky is the limit. We are catching up very fast with the use of latest technology like Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, global collaboration, common data environment, cloud computing, digital twins. So we are improving very fast. It is happening currently today. Although in segments, only in major cities we are seeing this impact of latest technology. But hopefully in next 3 to 5 years, we will catch up very fast because knowledge spreads like fire. For example, for this project, IICC Yashobhumi, there were 1200 engineers working on this project. And now, once the project is complete, they have spread. So all those people have gone to different parts of India. Within their own projects, companies, local communities, they will spread that knowledge, and it will further grow the community. So things will change at very rapid pace, I see, in next coming years.
You have tremendous experience in implementing projects, especially in high population density cities. Mumbai is one of them. What
Of
we
course.
face about the scarcity of land, and you have experience in implementing projects in London, in Malaysia. Can you share how BIM can effectively address this concern?
See, we have very interesting saying. God created the world. So land is limited. You cannot make new land. Of course, Dubai can refill the land, create some islands or Palm Jumeirah, all these things, but they are very, very small scale. You cannot create land. So you have to live within the limited piece of land, redesign, reuse, replan, and you have better uses of the same piece of land. Like you said, Mumbai has scarcity of new land. There's no land available. So you have to use the limited available land with better uses, better technology, better communication, better construction, right? So that is again coming back to the same circle question, use of technology. And BIM, which I am personally advocating, is the technology which is helping us in using the same piece of land or same space for better design, better construction, better facility management, and better use for the end users, whether it's office space, hospital, hotel, data center, even small residential complex. All of them are getting benefited from the use of technology.
Can you share a few examples from your experience? How did on the court BIM helped you to expand, efficiency or effectiveness of your project?
Definitely, I can give a very recent case study. 6 years back, our team was implementing BIM on a project. It's a healthcare project in central London. It's called St. Bart's or St. Bartholomew's Hospital. Skanska was the construction company designed by Langoroor structural team, Arup, Mace, AECOM were some of the leading design consultants on that project. The hospital was initially designed as 10-story building with 3.4 meter floor to floor height. With the use of BIM and advanced technology, we brought that 3.4 meter to 3.2 meter of clear head height, saved around 1.2 meter on each floor, and that 10-story building get constructed in 12-story building. So we added by the use of technology 2 additional floor in that St. Bart hospital, and there was no storage or you can say construction space around that very congested central London location. So with the use of BIM, not only saved the time and money, we also made the building more intelligent. 2 more additional floors with more interesting and very innovative design.
How BIM can be useful in restoration of projects?
Very recent examples in France. We have recently in Sydney. We have seen some very interesting case study where all buildings are being, because you don't have any drawings or data available for all those buildings. For example, you will never find a drawing of architect of Taj Mahal or Red Fort. So first start with the laser scanning of as-built facilities, then taking those as-built into coordination of the existing facilities and contributing to the new design phase. So collaboration of the old as-built and the new design, bring them together, make the building more efficient for renovation, restoration, future expansion of those facilities. Happening very rapid pace, almost all big construction projects, old historical cities like London or Paris or Amsterdam or New York, they are using laser scanning for doing the as-built and the integration of old historical building with the new design and maintenance purpose.
This question is especially for people who build habitats or apartments for living. What is the stage where you need to introduce BIM professionals into play?
See, that is another. We are considering BIM as an outside agency which comes into the project. I consider it as a tool because you have been using some tools, whether it's pencil or paper or computer or mouse. Now you are starting using BIM. It's a 3D based technology, so you don't have to ask me a question about which stage. My answer is every stage, whether it's concept, design, detailed design, construction, as built, facility management, future expansion, even demolition for that matter. So every stage, it's a tool you are using For commuting, you use car. For design and construction, you are using BIM. All stages from the inception to the materialization or completion.
Parveen sir, thank you so much for interacting with this update. Like he rightly said, BIM is not a luxury to a project. BIM is a tool, a necessity for projects in India today. Thank you so much.